Santa Ana Police. How can I help you?
Hey, it's he with Menifee Police in Riverside County.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, can I give you guys some BOLO information on a 187 suspect that's pinging in Santa Ana?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, and then the suspect vehicle, or the vehicle that he left in is a silver Honda CRV. All right, and then the suspect is let me bring this back up over here, hang on.
Okay.
So he shot a female over here. We believe it may be his girlfriend, and so she's dead, and so it should be some type of handgun.
It's going to be 10301 Beach Boulevard.
And looks like he just jumped a curb, and he's going to be driving up on the pier southbound.
12314. Driving on the pier southbound, jumped the curb.
Yep, he's driving southbound on the pier at slow speeds. Got a few pedestrians.
Zach, if you can, that this is a
Still driving on the pier, slow speed, pedestrians up there.
There you go. Yeah. You stopped at the end of the pier, facing south. Guns are facing southbound.
960 X-ray guns are facing southbound.
998.
998 at the end of the pier. We're going to need to start fire.
960 X-ray southbound, guns.
Okay. Shots fired, suspects down.
Shots fired, suspects down. Looks like he has a 417 in his right hand.
417 in his right hand, suspects down, shots fired.
Hey, shut the door! 998 at the end of the pier. 963 southbound. 963 southbound. 998 at the end of the pier. 963 southbound.